Do you know what your problem is, Kirk?
What?
You're a moodle.
A moodle?
A man poodle. Girls, they want to take you out on a walk, they want to feed you, they want to cuddle you, but no girl wants to do the moodle.
No one would ever do a moodle.
No.
Well, is there something that you like about her? Yes. I like the way that her body bends.
Oh, look at this. Yes.
Thanks, Kirk. I think I lost my iPhone.
Calm down, I'll call it.
Hello?
Hello? Thank God you have my phone. Would you just hold on to it for me?
You're not supposed to be on your phone. It's bad for the plane.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you a plane doctor? No? So shut the hell up.
I'd like to make it up to you. Do you like hockey?
Yes, I do. I don't get it. Why would she ask me out?
Are you nervous?
Yes.
This Molly is a hard 10. Meanwhile, the guy's a 5.
Nailed it.
I brought a girl with me, so please don't be a jerk.
Are you a hooker?
Dylan.
Or a prostitute, I mean?
Nope.
Well, come on in for a dip, girl.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't even have a bathing suit.
Underwear is fine.
Underwear would be fine. If I were wearing any.
You and I both know he's not the kind of guy you usually end up with. You pick a guy like Kirk because he's safe.
Or maybe because he's just a nice guy. Cam, this is Kirk.
Molly and I used to date. God is my witness. We'll get her back.
Honestly, I'd have sex with that guy.
Yeah, maybe Molly's a little better looking than I am.
A little. Are you kidding me? I think that Debbie here is one wicked hot box.
Thanks, babe.
And this chick of yours makes her look like a pig.
What?
Oh, God, can we stop with the sex?
No.
Honey, you there?
Dad?
Dad, what the?
This is Kirk.
It's a pleasure.
Nope.
She's out of my league.
My shift doesn't start for another half hour, but I was so excited, I came early.
He said he was really excited, and so he came early.
Does that ever happen to you?
It just slipped out.
Sir, there's no smoking on airplanes.
I know. It's ridiculous, isn't
If
it?
you like that, I'll have to report you to the FAA.
Stacy, did you know that in 1969, when smoking was allowed on all flights, we put a man on the moon?
I had no idea.
And it starts with ashtrays, and it ends with all of our precious freedoms being stripped away. But we don't have to take it. Like Rosa Parks and David Lee Roth when he left Van Halen, we can say enough injustice. We can smoke one for America!
Who are you?
I'm done ready. And I got the goods. You want some cars sold? We'll be there. We got a dealership in the ICU. 211 cars getting suntans on the lot.
Don, I don't mean to complain, but it's been a year and a half since I've been home. And I'm 90% sure I left my front door open.
It's July 4th weekend, everybody, and we're going to war. Don't even get me started on Pearl Harbor. We are the Americans, and they are the enemy. Never again!
Never again! Never again!
Let's get him!
Alligators! Who brought alligators?
That Don Reddy sure does put on a show. These people are excited about the savings.
The goods. Live hard, sell hard.
I think I made a sale. Andy wants to pay in cash. Non-sequential, unmarked bills neatly packed in this canvas bag.
Well, that's a bank bag, Teddy.